Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a taste test challenge, but with a twist. If I mess up 3 times, I'm going to be punished. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm ready for the first food or snack. Oh, I think it's cucumber.
Yay!
I'm scared. I don't like it, so I just did. It's spicy a little bit.
What is it?
I have no idea. What is this?
You give up?
Yeah. What was it? What is it?
Let's look.
What is this? It's a date. It's too frozen, I can't taste it. Is it tiny ice cubes or ice circles?
No.
Then I don't know what it is.
You can look.
The heck is it?
Do you know?
I don't like it. I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know.
You give up?
Yeah.
Okay, you can look.
How dare you?
Okay, last one.
Woo! What? Cookie? Because I guessed 3 wrong. So let's see what my punishment is. So my punishment is mustard. I have to squeeze it in my mouth. That was not that bad. It's yucky. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, and I will see you next time. Bye!